It probably happened to you too, to hear someone speak in the bus or in the street, and immediately you try to find out what language they are using based on their intonation and some words. Many multilinguals who learn new languages try also imitating their sounds and intonations to get a feeling for the language. Guess the Language is an activity from our toolbox for multilingual families. Just to be clear, we do not intend this game to be played to judge or to ridicule anyone's way of speaking. It is meant in an exploratory way and should ignite curiosity and foster motivation. Here's how it works. One player chooses a language and tries to imitate it. The words can be existing ones or intended words. It's not important that the sentences make sense. I share here a very funny song where the Italian singer Adriano Celentano sounded very English without actually saying anything that makes sense. When playing the Guess the Language game, the other players need to guess which language it is, and the one who guesses it right is the next one to imitate the language. Now listen to this Instagrammer who talks gibberish in several languages.
Here's what languages sound like to foreigners. मुझे सांसे खनन जनम fal कर देना हो. Para ajudá-los a meu canal não brasileiro, você gente.
Oh, das ist eine Flugenklappenscharten und ich weiß jetzt, dass ich wunderbar Wörter habe, dass ich nach dem Leben.
Значит, сказать очень сейчас люблю вас, так сейчас дяс.
Va bene ragazzi, oggi non possiamo fare qualche cosa di prosciutto definitivamente, una quasi la mente, attraversiamo, possiamo, andiamo, variamo.
To veselinko terenu jo abacio I onda kao ono preći preduzeći, ne znam, leći kao malo
Je suis moi, il y a 15 ans, et puis voilà, je remets pas de verre.
Would you have recognized them? Let us know in the comments. You probably noticed that some sounds or even parts of words are typical for the liven language. The goal now is to have fun experimenting with the sounds and patterns of words in different languages. By focusing on new sounds and ways to intonate words, we can practice a new language without being fluent yet. And this activity actually helps us to get more confident in articulating new sounds, and it's also an excellent opportunity to discuss how languages are tied to culture and heritage. Just make sure to not exaggerate in a way that might feel hurtful or judgmental to other players or people around you. Guess the Language is a great way to connect through creativity and the diversity of our languages. Let us know in the comments in what languages you played this game. And for more activities and games, I invite you to have a look at the Parent's Guide to Raising Multi-literate Children and the Toolbox for Multilingual Families. You find the links to our books in the description. And don't forget to subscribe and share the video with other multilingual families. See you in the next video.